Assalamu alaikum to all viewers and dear student. Today we have a neat trigonometric question for you. This question is very interesting. Let's come we start. 2 exponent of sine square x plus 2 exponent of cos x square is equal to 3. How we find the value of x is unknown. So very tricky trigonometric question according to the trigonometric identities. So sine square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. In the place of cos square we put here this result. We change cos square x is equal to 1 minus sine square x. Now we substitute the result of sine square x plus 2. In the place of cos square we put here 1 minus sine square x is equal to 3. Now we are using the exponent property. We have a exponent of m minus n is equal to a exponent of m and a exponent of minus n. Similarly we can write this result 2 exponent of sine square x plus 2 exponent of 1 and 2 exponent of minus sine square x is equal to 3. Here also we are using in here this result. If we put the result as in negative form of this one, we can change into positive form. So according to the rule of this exponent rule, we can write 2 sine square x plus 2 exponent of 1 and 1 divided by 2 exponent of sine square x is equal to 3. Now we substitute, take the supposition of sine square x to sine square x. Let 2 sine square x is equal to t. Now this equation becomes as t plus 2 as 1 over t is equal to 3. Now multiplying both sides by taking LCM or multiplying both sides by t. So this will be t square plus 2 is equal to 3t. 3t we change in here t square minus 3t plus 2 is equal to 0. Now we are making factorization method. There are 3 methods we can also apply: completing square, quadratic formula, and also in here we are using factorization method. We can use in here 1t plus 2 is equal to 0. Middle term is minus 3. We are required 2 integers minus 2 and minus 1. We will get in here minus 2. Now we are making pairs. So the first we are taking common t minus 2 and in here is minus 1 is common, t minus 2 is equal to 0. Similarly and t minus 2 and to t minus 1 is equal to 0. T minus 2 we get is equal to 0 either as r and t minus 1 is equal to 0. T is equal to 2, r and t is equal to 1. Now we substitute these results according to the supposition in here. Now when t is equal to 2, so 2 exponent of sine square x is equal to 2. Now in here bases are same, so we are comparing their exponent. So sine square x is equal to 1. Now we are required x square, we are trying to finish. We are taking square root on both sides. Taking square root on both sides, this will be cancelled with this one. Sine x is equal to plus minus 1. We take in here, so sine x is equal to plus minus 1 and x is equal to sine inverse plus minus 1 is equal to, we will get in here 90 degree for the positive, and this is one of the solution. X is equal to 90 degree. Similarly when we take when t is equal to 1 and t is equal to 1 and 2 sine square x is equal to 1, but here we require the base is 2, so we can write this one 2 sine square x is equal to 2 exponent of 0. Now bases are same and 2 exponent of 0 we get is equal to 1. Now comparing their exponents, so sine square x is equal to 0. Now taking again square root on both sides on this result, so this will be cancelled and sine x is equal to 0. So sine x is equal to 0, x is equal to sine inverse 0 is equal to 0. Sine 0 is equal to 0. So it means that we have two results. One is x is equal to 0 degree, x is equal to, if we put in here x is equal to 0 degree and 90 degree are the solution of this question. Now we want to verify our answer is correct or not. Check and here verification. 2 sine square, in the place of first we put in here 0 degree plus 2 and cos square is, and in place of x we put in here 0 degree, so that will be is the question mark is 3. Now sine 0 we can, this one we can write this result we can write 2 sine 0 whole square plus 2 cos 0 whole square is question mark is 3. Now sine 0 is equal to 0, so sine 0 is equal to 0. If we take their square, 0 square we get 0 plus cos 0 is equal to 1 and 1 square is also 1 is equal to is question mark is 3. Anything raised to the power 0 we will get here 1, 1 plus 2 is equal to is the question mark is 3. So 3 is equal to 3. We put the result is verified this answer. So our answer is correct. So sine square, in place of x we put 90 degree plus and 2 cos square and 90 degree is question mark is 3. As we know that we can write this result sine 2 90 is whole square plus 2 and cos 90 whole square is question mark is 3. Now sine 90 is equal to 1 and cos 90 is equal to 0. 2 sine 90 is equal to 1 and 1 square and here is 0 square is question mark is 3. Now if we take their square, 1 square is 1 and 0 square we get in here 0, so question mark is 3. Now we get in here 2 plus 1 is question mark is 3. Now 3 is equal to 3. Our solution is correct for the both angle. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel and share this video more and more. Thanks again for watching.